Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I go live. All right, now that I have everything, and don't forget to leave a comment. It helps the channel out a ton. Now that I have everything that YouTube requires me to say out of the way, let's get into today's dish. Today, we have a Rigatoni Ricotta Beef Pasta for you. And it's real easy to do. In a pan here, seasoned with salt and pepper, I have about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. We're just gonna cook this up till it's all nice and brown, drain, and we'll be on to the next step. All right, now in a pot, we have a little bit of olive oil getting heated up, and now we have about 1/2 an onion that I've diced up. And we're going to give this about a minute or two to kind of cook up a little bit. And of course, don't forget salt and pepper the onions. And then you want to add 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce and 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. And give this a stir around and make sure everything's mixed together. And then you want to add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And then you want to give this a quick stir around. If you like, you can also add 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. All right, and then give this a minute or two so everything can kind of meld together a little bit. Oh, and of course, add back your ground beef to this mix. Like I said, give it a stir around and then give it a minute or two to come together. Your pasta water should be getting ready to get going now. And then we want about 1 cup of ricotta cheese. And give this a stir around, let it melt, and by the time that the water, like I said, you should be starting your water now. The time it takes the water to heat up, add the salt, put the rigatoni in, cook the rigatoni, and as always, we always cook pasta 1 minute less than the minimum time on the package. And because this is going in the oven, you could even take another minute off. Should be enough time for this sauce to blend together and get all happy and wonderful. And then we want to add our rigatoni to our sauce. Give it a quick little stir around. Make sure all the noodles are coated. And then you want to start preheating the oven to about 350 degrees. And then in a 9x13 baking dish, dump the entire contents in there. And then you want to top with shredded mozzarella and freshly grated Parmesan cheeses. And then pop in the oven for about 15 minutes. All right, after 15 minutes in the oven, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. Grab a little piece for yourself. And I'd let this rest for about 10 minutes before serving up. But that's really it. Rigatoni Ricotta Beef Pasta. Done.